Hello, this is Arfan. Today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you LiFi technology. It's a new technology, but that's not that new. It has been coined way back in 2011 by Harold Haas, professor. So this technology is about transmitting data through light. LiFi stands for light fidelity. It's basically VLC, visible light communication. So in a TED talk, Harold Haas shows that he is able to transmit audio and video. Many people didn't believe when he actually did it. People said it was he was using a Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth display. So I have done some work on VLC. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a simple LiFi transmitter and LiFi receiver. So LiFi, the base of the LiFi is a light source, a fast switching light source. So LED is an ideal for LiFi technology because it has a very less transient time and then it can switch very faster. So here in my LiFi receiver, I'm going to use a solar panel as a transducer. So it will convert the light received transmitted by the LiFi transmitter into electrical signals. And then I'm given to 3.5 female jack. I'm given to a speaker. People might say I'm also using a Bluetooth speaker. So for them, I would like to tell I'm using some Henry company speaker. So you can go and check online if there is something available, Bluetooth available. But this, I'm not using a Bluetooth speaker. You can see it's a Henry. You can search for this type of speakers online. It's not a Bluetooth speaker. It has a 3.5 jack interface. Okay. Then a transmitter. I'm using two types of light source for a transmitter: power LED and torch source. Power LED is a 1 watt LED to show that like a simple thing which can be commonly available in the market can also be used as a LiFi in a LiFi transmitter. And a torch source is to show that like the range of the LiFi is not very short. If you have a good light source, a beam which can travel far, you can extend the range. Uh, LiFi, the range depends only on it's purely limited by your light source. So if you have a light source which cannot travel far, then you can say it like very short range of communication is possible. But if you have a very good light source with the beam which can travel very far, then your range might get used. So for now, LiFi is a short range communication, so it all depends on the light source. And I would also like to add that LiFi is a line of sight communication. If something blocks, something is opaque, it cannot travel through opaque object. So obviously there is no data on the other side of the opaque object. So it is a line of sight communication, but it is like faster than the present Wi-Fi. People in Oxford University have achieved Wi-Fi speeds of 224 GB per second, which is 200 times faster than current Wi-Fi technology, optic fiber technology by Google. Um, so this can replace Wi-Fi in future. So people are working on it. People with people in Oxford University and various Japanese companies have been working on this. So soon it will be commercialized. For now, very few commercial products have been available. So in this video, I'm going to transmit audio over Li-Fi, and I'm going to show it to you with using two different light sources, one with the torch and one with the power LED. So let's see how it works. Um, So I've switched on the power LED. Now I'm going to turn on music on my play an audio file on my cell phone. So I've played audio file on my cell phone. If you properly observe, the light source will start blinking. Blinking. This blink is due to the audio file which has been played. This signal is going through my transmitter circuit. It has been converted into zeros and ones series. So if I place a solar panel in front of it, that will be picked up by my solar panel and then converted into electrical signal that will have given it audio input of my speakers. So you'll be able to hear. I'm able to play. So it's playing. Now if I block the light, I'm not able to play. Not able to play. If you place a paper, if you place a paper which is like little transparent in front of it, still you can hear some music. This is because if the light source need not be very intense to communicate. It can the it works only with only on if it detects a little bit change in audio, even that is picked up by the speaker. This is a pre-amplified speaker. A small, very small signal also is picked up by the speaker. So if you have a pre-amplified speaker, then very small amount of intensity can also be used as a to transmit. So in a video, in a TED talk by Harold Haas, in a TED talk by Harold Haas, he demonstrated transmitting video and audio over light or via white light, and then to simulate fog, he used uh, cloth to simulate fog, but still he was able to transmit the audio. But if we place our hand in front of the light source, then you block the light completely, so you're not able to transmit data. But if the light is still a small amount of light falls on it, you are able to transmit audio. So this is with a power LED. This is with power LED. You're able to play sound. So this was very short range because this light only goes up till here. You can still play till here. It will be very the voice will be very low. If you play it like front, the gain is high, so you hear little louder. So now I'll replace this power LED with a torch to show that like you can achieve greater range. So now I'm using a torch. So this torch travels a bit far distance than this did. So I can transmit data over a little higher range. So the audio stop. So you can see here I'm able to transmit uh, more to a more distance than what power LED did. As I bring it as I bring it near, the audio voice would increase. That's because the intensity is very strong and more amount of the high voltage is being generated by the solar panel, and that is being picked up by the uh, pre-amplified speakers. So it's been amplified to a much higher level. So you can see I'm able to transmit. So basically, uh, far the distance the light source can travel, the far you can communicate. So it's not for now you can say it's a short range communication, but it really depends on your light source. So this is all about the LiFi technology. If you want to know more, you can there's a lot of sources on the internet about LiFi technology. For those who didn't believe there is such a technology exists, this video is for them. So thank you guys.